Hello everyone. So we'll go on the second part of the data. You can see there is a big sheet here, and this is where you can ask questions about your data, and Power BI will give you the answers basis the data that you have already feed it in. So you can ask any question about your data, and you will see 99% of the times you will get the best response in the best possible manner or in the manner that you would like. So I have put a few questions here, which we will also go through. So we'll start from the bottom. So here, like the first question that is the it is the which is the top five model by sales. So if you click on that question, you will get the top five models which have sold the most. So you can see here Swift has it's the 1,14,000 uh, quantity has been sold. Then you have Baleno, Wagoner, Alto, and Desire. You can see the question here on top, and you can also modify. You can add to the question if you want, like if you want to see top five models by sales by SUV. So yeah, and then you can see the top five sales by SUV. Another thing you can do here is you can also see this whole thing in a data format, in a table format. So if you want by table, so just press by table and in table format. Yeah. So here you will simply get the sales numbers by the top five. You can give top 10, top 20, or depending on how you want. If you want little bit of a better visualization, you can also go for matrix format, where you will see all the colors which represent the sales numbers as well, and the total sales of the top five. So other questions, the top five model by SUV, we just saw that. Then there by a hatchback, or you can the top five, bottom five, you can do those. You can see the expensive model by price. So you will see basis the price which is the most expensive car and the least expensive car, and then you can go down. Yeah. So this is the axis for price and for model. So you can also click here to see what is the price. Wrangler is at 53.9. Toyota Camry is for 37.88. Octavia is 36.03 lakhs. Tiguan 34.19 lakhs. Another of a few questions which are like I have put some interesting questions here. So here you will also see month sales. It's a little complicated one, but here you will see the sales quantity you want to see in a monthly format, and you want to see by say SUV. So you can see how Hyundai is dominating the SUV market, followed by Kia, and then there's Maruti, Mahindra, Tata. Month is something which needs to be corrected here. Otherwise, you can see the top Hyundai is selling most of the cars, like 23,000 every month, dominated by Creta, and then Kia has the two models. So you get the data here, and once you add the May data, automatically the if you refresh the data, you will get the May column here. So you can add that. You can also ask questions on your own if you just want to. If you just type say Maruti, and I will get all the Maruti models that I have here, the body type and the pricing wise. I can sort by price to see which are the, like Alto is just starting, Alto Espresso, Eco, Celerio, Wagoner. I can sort by body type and see the hatchback models, MUV, sedan, etc. Similarly, if you just go for hatchback models, you will see all the hatchback models here that we have, and you can sort it by price. You can sort it by make. So yeah, so those are a few questions that you can ask. You can one thing or one more thing I would like to show you is when you if you want to create a chart of your data. So say I want to see Creta sales quantity month. So you will see how the sales for Creta in November it was good, December it fell down and then it has picked up. And then April you can see again it's going down due to lockdown. You can also see like the SUV market. I've just put Creta. You can change. You can put the SUV how SUV sales have been. So you will see how SUV sales have picked up in those in 2 months from 76,000 to yeah almost 1 lakh in the month of March. So these are all the questions you can ask questions to your for your data. Ask a question and you will get a data in the format you want. In the next we'll look at the decomposition tree. So a decomposition tree is a visual in Power BI that lets you visualize data across multiple dimensions. It automatically aggregates data and it enables drilling down into your dimensions in any order that you want. It's a kind of a AI tool in Power BI. So here you can see I've started with sales, but when I click at the plus button, so I can now go by say I want to see body wise. So you will see automatically you will see body wise the sales how it's been. So 816,000 for hatchback or 8 lakh 16,000 hatchback and then MUV sedan and SUV. Now if I want to see further I can split depending if I want to see by model or if I want to see by month hatchback how's been the hatchback sales been month on month. I will see month on month the hatchback sales has almost been on an average it's been good. There has been there you won't see a big fall here. Or when you go to SUV for the same thing, you will see that SUV sales had gone down, but it has picked up. When you go to sedan sales also it's on an average it's been same. There hasn't been a big fall here. Now further again, you if you want to see in the month of say for SUV when you see 1 lakh and you want to see which is the model which is giving the highest sales. So you will see, of course, you will see Creta here giving the maximum sales, and then you can go down. You can see Nexon has come up here in the list. Hector MG Hector is here. Certos, Sonnet, these two are there, and Venue, yeah, Venue is giving 11,000. So that's how you can see your data depending upon how do you want to further split your data. So that's about decomposition tree. You can change. For your example here, I added make model here. Month wise, I can also see make. I can put the make. So I'll get all the cars in the month of April by make for SUV, and then say further I want by price. So I'll get the price also. So Ford I before getting the price here, I'll get the model. Yeah. So I'll put the model here and then I'll get the price. So for Ford, they have sold 3,800 cars in the month of April, and the price of EcoSport is the main car, is 8 lakh 19,000. When you go to Endeavour, the price is 29.9 lakhs, and you can see zero point 0.8k, or less than 10,000. When you go to Hyundai, you'll see there are three models in the month of April: Creta at 10 lakhs, Kona at 23.79, Tucson at 22.58, and Venue at 6.92 lakhs. So that's like a complete decomposition tree. If I go to March, I'll get the same data for March. I'll go to Feb. I can change the month and I'll still get the same data that I had made to analyze. So that's about the decomposition tree. Thank you so much, guys.